Hi, this is Sankas here. We do repairs the Easytronic gearbox. Also, we can learn the gearbox parameter as well. So lots of people are struggling on a trade and how to do them. And this video may help you how to learn the gearbox parameter. If you look at here, gearbox parameter not being learned is a present as well. If you try to clear it, the fault code coming back. So it's very simple. Please follow the instruction, programming, learn the gearbox parameter, make sure the front wheels all jacked up on both sides, and also handbrake pulled up and the selector must be in neutral position. Press OK. Don't do anything until the next window appears on the screen. There you go. Next step is very important. Hold the brake pedal and start the engine now. Settings stored and programming done. So press the brake, start the vehicle. Bingo, car started. Now press OK. Wait until next window appear on the screen. Don't release the brake pedal until successful. There you go. Settings stored and the programming done. Now should the fault code should clear. Go back to the fault code. Yeah, that's only a not present, so it will be clear. There you go. Bingo. Thank you for watching Sanga's video. Please leave a comment or thumbs up, so I will do more video. Thank you.